Now we're going to move on to a new chapter, expansion of brackets. Ages ago, in one of the earlier videos, if you're given this here, to break up this bubble here, you would get this times this. That would be AB, and then you would get this times this, which is AC. So when someone gives you this here, this whole thing here is the same as this thing here, but just written differently. Okay, so if someone gives you this, you can actually break it up by multiplying this and then getting A and multiplying with the C. That will give you this. You see what I mean when I do a few examples. So here, to break this up here, in effect, you can imagine this as being this. You've got a bubble here. Okay, and you've got two lots of bubbles. So basically, you can imagine this as being this, x plus y, and you've got an identical bubble at the top here. So you've got two lots of these bubbles here. Okay, so to do this here, you would get this times this. So 2 times x will be 2x, and then get this, the 2 times the y, which will be plus 2y. Okay, so this here is the same as this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's do this one here. Here you've got a minus, this minus here, so be careful. Again, get this times this, which is 3x. Okay, and now get this. Get the 3 times the y, but remember there's a minus here, so it's going to be minus 3y. Watch one of the earlier videos on Liger. For example, if you have something like 3x squared y to the power 3 times 4x to the power of 4 y to the power of 6, say. Watch this video again if you don't remember it. So to do this here, you would get the number times with the number, which is 12, and then you would get the x times with the x here. So you've got x squared times x to the power 4. That will be x to the power 6. And then the y here times with the y here. So y to the power 3 times y to the power 6 will be y to the power 9. If you don't understand this, watch one of the earlier videos. When you understand this, multiplying out brackets is really easy. Okay, let's do this one here. So here you would get this one times with this one here. Okay, so that would be, well, 3 times with a 4 would be 12. The x times, so you've got x here times x to the power 3. That would be x to the power 4. Okay, it's a plus, so let's take the plus down. And now get this times with this now. 3 times 5 will be 15. The x times with the x over here, there is no x on the right hand side here, so that would just remain as x. And then get the y times with the y over here, but there's no y on the left hand side here, so that will remain as y squared. So this whole thing here is the same as this thing here. Okay, yeah, watch one of the earlier videos on Liger, then this multiplying out brackets will be really easy. Okay, this one here is really strange. When you have a minus in front of a number here, here, hang on, push here, hang on, sorry, visualize it as this here. You've got a bubble here, so push this minus into the bubble. So hang on. So visualize it as this. Okay, so you've got a 2's inside a bubble here. Now get this bubble here, multiply it with this. Okay, so it would be the minus 2 times 5 would be, well basically just get the minus 2 times with this whole bubble here. So that would be minus 10x. Okay, and now you've got this is the weird thing. you've got to get this bubble, multiply it with this thing here, but then you've got a minus here, and plus you've got a minus here. Well, develop your own technique. It actually becomes plus 12 12y. Okay, so hang on. So this whole thing here, to do this, get this multiplied with this. You're going to have minus 10x. Okay, and now you've got to get this times this. So here you've got a minus here, and then you've got another minus here. So I know this is quite strange, but it will make sense when you do it a few times. So this would actually becomes plus 12y. Okay. Yeah, you just got to practice, and then it will make sense in the future. Maybe not now, but in the future it will. Okay. I will give you some more practice.